In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing something that's hard to get. And then when you open it, let's find out. This is the bag that you get at Chanel. It comes with a beautiful white flower and then they wrap it for you. And let me show you what's inside. So I'll put this here. So obviously you get this little booklet that they give you where they have your information, the receipt, and then there they also have like a card with the details of the actual piece that you're buying. So in case you are wondering, they say the best things come in small packages. This is a wallet, but it's not just any wallet. Let me show you. So this is the box. As you can see, they also put the flower on there. I'm going to untie it for you guys because they do such a beautiful job at Chanel. And I'm gonna be describing the wallet and letting you know. So as I told you guys, the box, very sturdy. And then so that you guys can see, look how sturdy this box is really, really good material. The Chanel logo is centered, as you can see. And then on the back, it has this information, but it's a beautiful, beautiful box. When you open it, oh, and also as you guys can see, it has the Chanel logo centered. There's no misspellings or anything. And then once you open it, you get this beautiful suede little pouch that says Chanel in it. And this, my friends, this is the pouch. As you guys can see, you can tell right away it's a very, very good material. And stitching is very straight, very precise. I know some people think that everything looks the same, but when you get your hands on something like Chanel or like a really prominent brand name, you're going to notice what I'm telling you. It's going to stand out to you. So don't believe me, go to the boutique and see for yourself. See? This is beautiful. And then when you open it, tan, 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 this is what you get. This is a beautiful, beautiful card holder. I love it. I thought of getting a wallet, but I said I'm gonna get this instead. It has gold hardware, is caviar, and it matches my purse perfectly. On the inside, it says Chanel. It has the logo, and then here it has the Chanel with the little studs that are just, they scream my name, because if you see feathers and studs and gold, that's me. So I really like it. As you guys can see with Chanel, everything is very precise. It's really good quality. You can tell right away. The leather, it actually smells like leather. There's no plastic smell or anything. And then right inside of here, it has a serial number. And the reason why they do that, if you ever want to resell the bag, or not the bag, but if you ever want to resell like the wallet or a bag or anything, they're going to ask you for that serial number. And then that serial number is how you can tell them, hey, this is the bag. And then they check and they know that it's legit. So it does say made in Italy, and I think like maybe it would say made in France, but that's where they made the wallet. Something that stood out to me right away is the pink. This is my favorite color, and most of the stuff that I have is pink. I just like the color, and I got it because it was gonna match my bag. I really happen to like caviar leather. The reason for that is because I think it lasts longer than lambskin. I think lambskin is very delicate, and I had a friend who actually on her way out, she scratched the bag, and it was a loss basically because the bag had a huge scratch. The gold, I really like it. My original bag does have gold, so this one has a very shiny, very subtle gold, and it has the little studs around the C, and I thought that was so beautiful. That's something that I really, really liked about it. It does have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 card slots. So in this main one, you can put cards or you can put coins or something that's going to occupy more space. Like if you want to fold money, you can put it in there. I really like this because I can toss this into my other bags. I have smaller bags also, and I thought like, well, if I get a big wallet, like it's not gonna fit inside the bag. So this is, I think, a perfect size. The stitching, I always say it is very straight and very precise, but if you guys notice, when something is not authentic, it's not real, it's not gonna be straight and precise. So for me, this is a forever piece. I really take care of my stuff. So obviously this is gonna be inside my purse, and I think the pink is always seasonal during the spring and summer, but I'm a girly girl, so I'll wear this 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This is iconic, legendary. I love the color. Even if they sold it during the fall, your girl would buy it. So who is this wallet perfect for? Well, I think if you're into fashion, one. If you're not, if you want something that's going to last you a long time, if you want a fashion statement, I think this is definitely it. And I mean, it's a little bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. Like, I've saved up for this and then I ended up getting it. You know, when I was in college, I would think to myself, oh, the day that I graduate, like, I'm gonna get myself like really, really nice things. And Chanel was a brand that I always liked, but it was like way out of reach for me. So years later, I'm able to like get this, but I've said it before, like, don't break your head thinking that you have to get these things. These things come with time, but if you're able to get one, I think you're gonna really enjoy this style. Most likely they're going to have more colors, but I think this is perfect. So after a few weeks, I'm gonna go on Instagram and on my stories, I'm gonna share if it's really worth the price and just if it's met up to the standards, because this is pricey. So, you know, I expect for this to sustain time, even though leather does age with you. I'm gonna take care of it, but I do want for it to be like something that's not gonna break easily, especially because it's Caviar. So Caviar for me, I think is my favorite leather from them because it's durable, it's shiny, it's beautiful. I want you to let me know in the comments if you would get this wallet. I definitely would get it. I think it's beautiful. I want for you guys to see like the hardware against the light, how beautiful this is. This is why I'm telling you that Caviar, in my opinion, is such a beautiful leather, because it's shiny, it's beautiful, and it really does stand out. And I'm gonna show you the gold hardware in more detail. It has the little studs, as you guys can see. They're very shimmery. Let me put it in the light so you guys can see better. So we made it to the end of the video. I have lots of more shop with me videos, bag reviews also. I have tons of fashion reviews to be exact. So if you loved any of them, I would love it if you would subscribe. You're more than welcome to watch those videos. Now I'll leave you. I hope you guys subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video, which is going to be something that's been very much awaited. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Take care. Bye.